Looking for excellent quality, performance, and reliability? Get the best in every category with NorthStar. Melt through and wash away the toughest grease and grime with this hot water pressure washer, which delivers 2.5 GPM at 2,750 PSI. Power through grime with consistent heat thanks to the efficient downdraft heat exchanger system that delivers extreme fuel efficiency and true hot water pressure washing. It gives you an industry-leading 150-degree temperature rise for more effective hot water pressure washing that melts away grease and oils. Optimize performance with the 250-degree wet steam mode that delivers an unbeatable combination of high heat, high impact, and high flow rate. Get accurate temperature and increased fuel efficiency from the adjustable digital thermostat. Apply chemicals at the switch of a nozzle with the low-pressure chemical injector. Simply pull the trigger to start the motor and release it to stop the motor, so you can get the job done faster with less wear on equipment. Easily maneuver the four-wheel cart with 15-inch pneumatic tires over turf, curbs, gravel, and other small obstacles. Melt through grime and grease with this hot water pressure washer from NorthStar.